Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. You can find all of the latest Japanese products. YODOBASHI Camera is a large shopping chain where you can find not only home appliances made in Japan, but also products including smartphones, figurines, digital single-lens reflex cameras, cosmetics, watches made in Japan, and designer bags. We also have a tax-free service. English-speaking staff are available to help you enjoy your shopping experience. YODOBASHI Camera Akihabara is a massive electronics retail store located in the Akihabara area of Tokyo, offering a wide variety of the latest electronic devices and gadgets. The store spans multiple floors, showcasing an impressive selection of products including computers, smartphones, cameras, gaming consoles, and home appliances. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. The range of the latest technology and peripherals is particularly remarkable. Conveniently located in the heart of Akihabara, it is easily accessible, making it a popular destination for both tourists and locals. Visitors can enjoy not only shopping, but also various events and campaigns. Additionally, knowledgeable staff are available to provide advice on product selection and usage. YODOBASHI Camera Akihabara is an ideal spot for those looking for electronics as well as anyone interested in the latest technology. It's definitely worth a visit. Please like, share, and subscribe. Floor details: first floor, mobile phones, computers, tablets, Apple shop. The first floor features the latest smartphones, computers, and tablets, along with a dedicated Apple shop. Whether you're looking for SIM-free phones, laptops, or Mac accessories, this floor has everything you need for work, study, and travel. Second floor, computer accessories, office supplies, travel goods, music, and movies. The second floor offers a wide range of computer peripherals, printers, office supplies, and travel essentials. You'll also find music, movies, and even a section for alcoholic beverages, perfect for picking up practical items and unique souvenirs in one place. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Tokyo, Japan playlist. Third floor, cameras, watches, beauty, daily goods. The third floor combines style and practicality, offering cameras, watches, luxury goods, and daily essentials all in one place. Browse the latest digital and film cameras, get your watch repaired, or shop for beauty products, cosmetics, and souvenirs. You'll even find over-the-counter medicines and household items, making this floor a convenient stop for both locals and visitors. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Fourth floor, audio equipment, televisions, musical instruments. The fourth floor is dedicated to sound and entertainment. Explore a wide range of audio gear, from high-quality headphones and speakers to amplifiers and home theater systems. You'll also find the latest televisions and a section for musical instruments, perfect for anyone who loves great sound and music. Fifth floor, air conditioners, kitchen appliances, home and living, lighting, and security. The fifth floor focuses on home comfort and everyday living. Discover a variety of appliances including air conditioners, refrigerators, rice cookers, and vacuum cleaners. You'll also find stylish lighting fixtures, home security products, and hearing aids, everything you need to make your home more comfortable and convenient. 6th floor, video games, toys and hobby, bicycles, fitness, outdoor. The 6th floor is all about fun, play, and active living. From the latest video game consoles and esports gear to anime figures, trading cards, and model kits, this floor is a paradise for gamers and collectors alike. You'll also find bicycles, fitness equipment, and outdoor gear perfect for anyone who enjoys staying active both indoors and outdoors. Have you been to Tokyo, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. 7th floor, fashion, eyewear, bags and accessories, men's and women's clothing. The 7th floor is where style meets comfort, featuring a wide range of fashion items for both men and women. Browse trendy apparel, stylish shoes, and elegant bags, or explore the optical shop for premium eyewear. You'll also find a custom men's tailoring section, perfect for those looking for a made-to-measure fit. 8th floor, ramen, curry, sushi, yakiniku, izakaya. The 8th floor is a gourmet paradise where you can enjoy a variety of Japanese and international cuisines. Try delicious ramen, Japanese curry, and conveyor belt sushi, or savor grilled meat at a yakiniku restaurant. There are also Italian pasta, Chinese dishes, and cozy izakayas, perfect for relaxing after a day of shopping in Akihabara. 9th floor, golf equipment. What is YODOBASHI Camera Multimedia Akiba? YODOBASHI Camera Multimedia Akiba is a massive electronics superstore located next to Junior Akihabara Station in Tokyo. The building has 9 floors featuring electronics, video games, cameras, fashion items, and restaurants. How many floors does YODOBASHI Camera Akihabara have? YODOBASHI Camera Multimedia Akiba has 9 floors including electronics, gaming, hobby items, fashion stores, and a large restaurant floor. How far is YODOBASHI Camera from Akihabara Station? The store is directly connected to Junior Akihabara Station and is about a 1-minute walk from the Showadori exit. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.